Hunter's PGV 1-inch valve is a great residential and light commercial valve. A couple things I like about it. It comes with Hunter's standard solenoid that are very easy to turn, and if you want to turn it on, you can turn it on manually there. This one's got flow control. I always recommend get valves with flow control. That's what this is on the top. You can shut them down that way or just control the flow of that zone. It does have a bleed screw. This is another manual operation. You can turn it on by the bleed screw. The other thing I like about these Hunter PGV valves is there's only 4 screws to take it apart. Take the 4 screws out, pull the top off. Then you've got access to the diaphragm or to clean it out. Put the 4 screws back in, you're ready to go. My professional opinion, Hunter PGV valves are good valves to go with. Easy to install, easy to repair, and like all Hunter valves, they have the same solenoid. Makes it even better.